Welcome. If you're the owner of a Telegram group and want to add a custom title to your owner profile using the latest update on the PC app, you're in the right place. In just a few steps, you can make your role stand out and give your group a more professional touch. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the group. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're the owner. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings, where you can control everything about your group. Next, find and click on the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your own profile, which should be labeled as Owner. Now you'll see an option labeled Custom Title. This is where you can add any title you like, whether it's founder, group creator, or something unique that fits your group style. Type your desired title into the field. Once you've entered your new title, simply click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your custom owner title will now appear next to your name whenever you post in the group, letting everyone know your special role. Customizing your owner title is a great way to add personality to your group and make your leadership stand out. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with your new custom title.